Of all the dim sum dishes that you know, what is your favorite dim sum dish? Most of us know Siew Mai, but the Cantonese version. There are some variations in Shanghai, Suzhou style in which glutinous rice is used as filling. I shall be making the Cantonese version of Siew Mai today. This video will be broken into two parts. In the first part, I'll be listing down the key ingredients. Measurements will depend on served portions and your taste preferences. The second part will be the actual hands-on in marinating the minced pork, chopping the prawns and veggie. I will reward those who watch to the end with bonus tips on how to make your marinated meat taste better, gel together, while retaining a velvety smooth texture. Let's jump straight into the ingredients. The most obvious ingredient is the skin of rat. I'm listing two types of them, either the yellow wonton skin or the dumpling skin. Though slightly different in texture, they are both usable. Next is the minced pork. It is easy to mince pork at home than buying it already grounded from the store. Either use your food processor or chop the meat by hand for a more involved approach. I'm recommending using medium-sized prawns as we are making Siew Mai but not har gow, another type of dim sum. So we have three main ingredients. Next we move on to veggie to make the Siew Mai a little crunchy. Here we have several options of water chestnut, Chinese yam, black fungus. You can use one of these. I do not recommend you use all. Now we have two categories of ingredients. Next move on to marinade and sauces. I use the common marinade and sauces available as shown here. I do not use any extra MSG. We cannot actually make Siew Mai with these ingredients. However, I will suggest some types of garnishes to make your Siew Mai more appealing. You have that option too. The most common garnishes used are corn, goji berries, shrimps, and diced carrots. We now have the complete list of ingredients for our delicious Siew Mai. And the next part, I'll be going on hands-on to actually making that. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy the video. I'll go hands-on in the making of our Siew Mai. I'm using about 300 grams of minced meat. While thawing the meat, I will get ready the marinades and sauces. I'm mainly using sugar, salt, 5 spices, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and turmeric powder. As mentioned earlier, I will share some extra seasoning and techniques in the bonus part of this section. Sprinkle these marinades and sauces according to the serving portion that you are making. Soy and oyster sauces are added also at this time. When you are done adding the marinades and sauces, massage the meat for about 5 to 8 minutes. This is very important to ensure the meat tastes evenly and well. Wrap the marinated meat in plastics and place it back to the chiller for at least 4 to 5 hours. You can leave it overnight if you have the time. Next, we'll dice the mid-sized prawns which have been thawed and properly deshelled, deveined. I slice these prawns and then use my knife to chop them into finer pieces. However, do not dice them so finely that you cannot feel them in your mouth later. The water chestnut, which have been soaked in slightly saltish water to prevent oxidation. Chop them like you did to the prawns into finer dices. Having done with the prawns and chestnut, I will now mix them into the marinated meat which has been in the chiller overnight. Mix them well into the meat so that they are evenly spread across the entire lump of meat. This is critical when you wrap the minced meat portion into the skin. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy. We are coming to a very critical part of this video to make your siu mai either looks like one or become a pancake. Form a C shape with your thumb and index finger. The rest of the fingers are curved below this C. Gently put one piece of the wonton skin on the C shape. As you fill the mincemeat onto the skin, it should drop slowly downwards. The rest of the fingers will support the weight. Let's watch again. Wet the edges of the skin. Another demo. Here comes the filling. We can now place your choice of garnishes on top of each siu mai. We are ready to steam them. Here are the 2 plates of siu mai I have made. Please like and subscribe. How to make your marinated meat taste better gel together while retaining a velvety smooth texture. Adding egg white onto the mincemeat will gel the meat better. Adding corn flour. Meat marinated with corn flour will retain moisture, so have to have a velvety smooth texture. Finally, dabble some wine into the meat. Please like and subscribe if you